Have you ever imagined how the world would be in years to come? Would the sun still be blazing red and the color of the sky blue? With the ever-changing and intuitive development in science and technology, irrefutably the world has changed, is changing, and will definitely change in years down the line. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence have indeed defined the order of the day, from the minutest to the greatest form of living standards. No doubt, by 2050, our planet will be an entirely different place. Perhaps humans might have become a multi-planetary being in line with Elon Musk's dream of building a self-sustaining city on Mars. Over the course of time, Mars, referred to as the Red Planet, has caught the attention of various scientists and researchers who came by the idea of turning the planet into an habitable place for humans in years to come. The driving force could be said to be the fear that some year far along the line, all life on Earth will go extinct as a result of the absorption of the Earth by the Sun. What a ridiculous idea, one might wonder. To you, it might be. However, to these scientists, no matter how much they dream it, so far only the CEO of Tesla Inc. and SpaceX, Elon, has made the move since he has the resources, money, and of course determination to bring this crazy idea into reality. Planetary studies have shown that out of the various planets in the universe, Mars is the closest, most habitable planet outside Earth. With a distance of 258.22 million kilometers to Earth, it has a living climatic condition adaptable to mankind. Aside from this, in its soil, it has life-enriching nutrients like nitrogen, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and chloride. However, humans still need to have a safety shield against the intense ultraviolet rays of Mars. For survival, 1,000 spacecraft and 1 million tons of vitamin C is needed to make life bearable on Mars. In a recent presentation done by Elon Musk at Starbase, his private rocket production facility located at Texas, he revealed that staging mission plans to Mars are currently underway. According to Musk, SpaceX is undertaking efforts to build a humongous spacecraft, which he called Starship. As reports have it, Starship will be the largest flying object in the history of mankind after its completion. Veritably, one can conclude that the Starship may be Elon Musk's answer to penetrating the Great Filter, which can be described as a universal obstacle holding back the interference between different planetary bodies. In an estimate given by the CEO of SpaceX, he opines that for true sustainability of human folks on Mars to occur, there has to be a transfer of about 1 million tons of resources and infrastructures. In this case, the Starship comes into play given its size and design. Currently, plans are underway for increasing mass production. Starship has been designed in such a way that goods can be transported from Earth to Mars in about 3 trips per day. What are the risks involved in the voyage to Mars? Should one expect a smooth or turbulent ride? Well, like every crazy idea, one must be prepared to take risks. Elon Musk is quick to voice his prediction concerning the voyage. According to him, this journey mightn't be all that rosy. In fact, in his word, it might be cramped, dangerous, and even lead to death. Yet, he is of the view that these factors, though may sound risky, are surmountable. With this statement, I think the first voyage should only include Musk and his team of engineers and astronauts, right? From another angle of survival, Musk once joked about employing nuclear weapons on Mars to melt frozen oxygen and carbon dioxide trapped beneath the pole. On the other hand, this crazy idea might as well mean the end of the planet. Let's ignite our imaginations. What would this self-sustaining city on Mars be like? Would it have our earthly blue skies or sci-fi kind of living conditions? So far, we have no answer to that. But what we do have is based on various planetary reports given in time past. We know that Mars enjoys extreme temperature, the total absence of life-giving oxygen, and low pressure in the environment. The reasons for these factors can be pointed to the lack of a magnetic field on Mars. Unlike Mars, Earth has a magnetic field that prevents solar winds from being blown on the Earth's surface. How does Musk hope to achieve his age-long dream of colonizing Mars if such unfavorable conditions on the planet do exist? No doubt, Musk still remains focused on his resolve of creating a room for human inhabitation of Mars. This is in line with the mission statement of SpaceX in establishing a permanent human presence on Mars. To this day, the spacecraft producing company is still in the service of transporting astronauts with its spacecraft Falcon 9 rockets and Crew Dragon capsules. Moreover, SpaceX is working ceaselessly to finish its construction of a Starship. Research reveals that it will take 10,000 Starships landing to make available the 1 million tons of resources. Invariably, round trips to Mars should be about 45 years. Hopefully, Elon Musk might live long to see his dream of making the human species multiplanetary by 2050. That is, if every of his plans go accordingly. Do you see Elon Musk achieving his plans of colonizing Mars by 2050? Would you prefer to be one of the inhabitants of the new self-sustaining city on Mars? Let's know what you think about this by leaving your comments in the section below.